heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor falls, and the major lifts. The Bible King composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne, she cut your hair. But from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who's seen the light. It's a goal that's broken. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah.